Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to speed up boot time on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I show two methods. So first method is go to in right click on this start window button and then tap on task manager. Open this task manager and then go to startup, and here you need to disable and enable the software. So I disable here different software to increase boot time. So I disable this, and for example I disable Skype as well. So disable this. So in this way you in your computer, for example, there is many software that start when the window boot up system is start, so you disable the software that you not need. So this is the first method. Second method is go to search bar and here type type system configuration. So open this system configuration app. So open this system configuration app and then move to boot option, and here you see your Windows 10, Windows 11 operating system. So tap on advanced option and then click on number of process, and here you select 4 and then click on OK. In this way, your window boot up time will be increased. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any query related to this solution, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So this is the video for today. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.